Hello darlings, and welcome to my channel, the channel where you learn how to take care of your nails by yourself at home. I'm Jo, and in this tutorial I will share with you how to have round-shaped, medium-sized nail for summer. Also, I will apply a very cool semi-permanent nail polish. The first part is about cleaning your nails, and for this you need a nail tool for the cuticles. With this, you push the cuticles, and when you're done pushing them, you clean the surface of your nails with the sharp part of the tool. Next, with the nail file, you clean the cuticles from the sides of your nails. And when you're done, you give a better shape to your nails. In this case, a round shape. In order to finish with the cleaning part of your nails, you need to soften your cuticles in a bowl of warm water. You just leave them for a few minutes. And after that, you cut the cuticles with the scissors. When you're done cutting the cuticles, use a buffer to clean the surface of your nail and clean them with a brush. Hard part is over, so let's move to the fun part, applying the semi-permanent nail polish. I'll start by applying a primer. This helps the semi-permanent nail polish stick to your nails longer. Just one layer of primer. I'll continue applying the base coat, one thin layer of base coat. And when I'm done applying it, I will let it dry in the UV lamp. Something extremely important you should know when applying the base coat, the colored nail polish, and the top coat is that you need to take care of these fingers separately. Put them in the UV lamp like this. If you put your whole hand in the UV lamp, the nail polish will drop on the sides of your nail and it won't look good at all, trust me. This being said, I will go for the second layer of base coat. Then I will let it dry in the UV lamp. Now the colored semi-permanent nail polish. As promised, I will go with the summer color. Something in between red and orange, pink maybe. I just love the color. I'll apply 2 layers and I will let it dry in the UV lamp after applying each layer. If you ask me why I always apply 2 layers of colored nail polish, well, it's because the color is stronger when applying 2 layers and is definitely prettier. Can you tell the difference between these 2 fingers and these 2? Well, it's definitely a big difference. About the top coat. When applying the top coat, apply just 1 layer and let it dry in the UV lamp. And a very important trick is seal your nail on this side with top coat. This way the nail polish will definitely last longer. When you're done drying the nails, for the best results ever, I recommend you to let your nails dry in the UV lamp one more time. And we're almost at the end. One further step is to degrease your nails with a nail degreaser. And one more thing and we're done. I strongly recommend you to use some oil for the cuticles in order to hydrate them. So this is how you take care of your nails by yourself at home. I hope this was a useful tutorial. I suggest you to subscribe to my channel for more videos, also ideas for nails, all sorts of ideas. And don't forget to turn on the notifications so we can keep in touch. Take care, bye!